guys, happy Friday. Oh my. So today is Friday and the day that everybody is looking forward to. And guess what? What a nice surprise for a Friday that we are saying hello to the new upgraded Aurora Cadenci socks for ladies that just came out today. So I am so excited, but this morning I quickly ordered mine. Okay, I just can't wait because this baby is my favorite. Okay, this is the older version of the Aurora. Yeah, you can see that. That's my socks that I wear every night to sleep together with the Aurora pants. Yeah, you can see closer. It has that special pressure points. Yeah, it's very special. For the ladies one, it has greater pressure points, especially at the arch. You know, the ladies like to wear high heels, right? Okay guys, if you are driving home, or you can watch later because I'm gonna share my favorite socks. Something fun about our human feet, yeah. And these socks, belum lah Linda, ini socks lama. Sabar, tunggu. I'm still waiting for the socks to arrive. This is the old one. Yeah, I love it so much. And why? You know, anybody love to go to meet reflexologists, but during MCO, no reflexology center is open, and I would maybe think many times to even go to visit one, or some of us buy the foot massage machine, right? Do you have that at home? But guys, actually this does the job well. This is your mobile foot reflexologist. I'm not kidding, it's true. Yeah, it's true. and real a fun fact about our human foot, yeah, they are the most complex, the strongest and most complex mechanical structure in our body. Yeah, know that? It has 26 bones, 33 joints, 19 muscles, 10 tendons, 107 ligaments. Okay, look at that. Isn't it yes, isn't it amazing? Yes, I'm gonna buy the socks. I'm so privileged you're gonna do that for me, Linda. I'm waiting for meeting you again, yeah. And guess what? Our feet is so amazing, and our feet carry us all day long. Yeah, all day long. And due to its position and function, our human feet actually are exposed to a variety of potential infections and injuries, including athlete's foot, plantar fasciitis, stress functions, stress fractures, yeah, whatever, name it, ankle twists, you know, swollen ankles, name it. There are many things. And guess what? For ladies that love high heels, yeah. I love high heels. Not too high, maybe 3 feet, 3 inch. You know, high heels also throw off our natural weight balance, causing pain as well. So guess what? There's this amazing thing about the Aulora Cadenci upgraded version. Upgraded version is that it's designed by world-class, designed with world-class patented Cadenci fiber, the same one like the Aulora Cadenci pants. Superior technology from Japan, and today this socks is the old one. It's improved version, version to complete the experience together with Aulora pants. So let me show you, in case our friends who never knew or heard, or first time now that you're hearing me sharing what is the hype about Aulora socks. You know why it's so good? Because it's made with Cadenci fiber that emits far infrared for wellness. When the Cadenci fiber touches our skin, the person, and it releases far infrared to the body and makes us feel so comfortable and warm, and especially the lady socks provides medium pressure to improve comfort to the feet. It supports your foot arch, re-energize every tired feet. Unique weaving method, it is better stretching, tightening effect, and it's very ultra stretchy fiber for easier wearing and very comfortable. Guys, guess what? The socks is so amazing that this is so amazing that you can wear these socks. You can wear the socks all day long. And another fact, yes, Linda, you're gonna get new pair this month. And another fact, that both of our feet, produce half pints of sweat. That's how much sweat comes out from your feet. And this socks is so comfortable, even you wear the whole day, because sweat evaporates so easily. And it's also anti-odor, antibacterial. You don't even have to wash it every day, guys. Amazing, right? And another amazing fact is that what's the amazing part of the improved version? Its length is extended. And it's longer than this. So it creates a harmonious fashion style with your Aulora pants and prevents rolling down. And it has a wider arch support, and it has a mesh weave on the heel for your maximum comfort. In fact, children also love Aulora Cadenci socks. And here is some of the pictures. Let me show you the pictures, testimonials, of swollen feet before wearing Aulora socks, and after wearing Aulora socks. You saw the swelling or not? I suspect this is a water retention that caused the feet to swell. So the Aulora socks really help to reduce the swelling in the feet. And here's another one, especially for flat foot. It tends to become swollen, and then also see, it reduces swelling in a flat-footed person as well. And again, this get great news for friends who are expecting, or your family members who are expecting their babies. For mothers, this is excellent. All right, when mothers or expectant ladies, we tend to have swelling in the feet, because of edema. this is really, really amazing. My own sister is a great testimonial of, when she was pregnant with the second baby, she wore the socks because her feet is so swollen. So quickly told her to get the socks, okay, of course a larger size because the feet is swollen, L size, and she wore it, I think, almost 24 hours a day, and really it helped her feet to slim back again. Yeah, all the water, because it's so painful even to walk. So you do your friends great favor. Yeah, and what I want to show is that for this month, in conjunction, good news, in conjunction with the upgrade starting today, every purchase of more than 200 ringgit, you are entitled for the purchaser lucky draw. So there are 18 sets of Aulora prizes to be won, including, okay, grand prize is Aulora pants, and the second prize is Aulora shirt, oh my goodness, and the third prize is Aulora panties, and the other consolation prizes are Aulora socks. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Yeah, it's just amazing. It's amazing. I wouldn't say it because I'm a user myself. I'm a user myself, and I wouldn't say it out. It wasn't so amazing. All right, and why everybody is talking about the socks? Because it's really amazing. It really helps. So guys, PM me or lots of our friends here, PM us to get your socks. We'll advise you how to get Aulora Cadenci socks. Yeah, and again, to prevent your frustration and disappointments, don't buy from third-party platforms. Seriously, get it original from the company. Yeah, so you don't have any regrets. Yeah, this is the kind of things that you get for yourself because give your feet the best. All right, give your feet the best because your feet carries you all your life. Yeah, give your feet the very best, and this one, no regrets. No regrets at all, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your attention and love, and guys, have a wonderful weekend. Till we see again. Ta-ta, bye. Bye-bye.